Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can power off your iPhone 13. How you can just power off this. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start. First you have to just see if you are pressing power button like this, the Siri is opening. You can just type here how you can just power off by pressing volume up, and by pressing power off you can see the you volume power up and down, or uh, power off button. You can see like this it shows, and then simply slide off like this. And friends, you can see the iPhone is power off. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks video. Thanks for watching.